I mean, the guy hits 400 balls. Huh? Yeah, right? When I hit 150 balls, man, it's a lot of work. 150 balls is a lot of balls to hit, right? There were days when Tiger Woods missed fun activities with friends because he was practicing. But he chose that. He desired to succeed. So sometimes you have to forego things. Yeah? You have to give up certain things. You can't be with friends because you have to achieve certain personal objectives. In life, we have an opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the alternative that you have to forego. Yeah? The first day I learned about opportunity cost was to say I have $100 and I can choose to spend this $100, yeah, buying a cell phone or buying 2 tickets and dinner with my fiancée. Yes? I have to choose. I can't have both. This is opportunity cost. Same thing in life. You can't have everything. Yeah? You have to prioritize. This guy, Tiger Woods, the best golfer in the world, yeah, has won more majors than anybody else in history. Right? He prioritized his life. Yeah? He sacrificed everything for golf. So he has won every single major championship, more than anybody else, including Jack Nicklaus. Alright? This is another one of my heroes. Anybody knows who this guy is? Oh, come on! This guy is a British guy. His name is Sir something.
Richard Branson.
Sir Richard Branson. Virgin Cola, Virgin Records, Virgin Airways. Yeah? Beat the hell out of British Airways. Yeah? This guy is a maverick, self-made man. Okay? Very interesting guy. You know, you can learn from professors at Oxford, but you can also learn from very successful business people like Sir Richard Branson. Okay? And what I'm going to share with you now is a presentation adapted from Sir Richard Branson. I'm going to take a few of his principles. He goes and does this lecture, and he charges £50,000. I'm going to do it for free. Okay? So, just do it. Always. These are a few principles in life. Huh? Just do it. You know where that line comes from? Nike. Yes. Yeah, it's a line from Nike. I love the line. Believe it can be done. Always believe that if you want to do something, that you can achieve it. Tomorrow, if anybody in this room wants to learn French, believe you can learn French. Yeah? There are ways. Nothing is impossible. Nothing in life is impossible. Right? You are today doing 500,000, nothing is going to stop you from doing 700,000 if you have the will to succeed. Yeah? Have goals. Very important. Part of leadership. Prepare. Help each other. Yeah? Help each other. Have fun. This is also important. You know, if you are only boring guy, you know, only looking, enjoy your life. Yeah? Important to smell the roses along the path. Yeah? When you are walking along the path, smell the roses. Yeah? So even if you go jogging in the morning and you pass a rose bush, stop there. Very nice. Keep jogging. I believe in this. I swear I believe it. I love the smell of certain plants and leaves. When I go jogging, depending on where I go jogging, I love to get the aroma, the natural aroma of certain, you know, have you heard, you know, the Christmas tree, right? The cypress tree. It's a beautiful aroma. You must smell it to enjoy life. Yeah? The important thing is to smell roses along life's journey. And that could be anything. Depends on what, you know, your interests are in life. But do that. Yeah? Have fun, work hard. Don't waste time. I spoke about this earlier. Too many people spend too much time in inefficient, unutilized bloody waste of time. Yeah? So focus, grab your chances, have a positive outlook on life. I cannot overestimate this. Yeah? Be very, very positive about what you want in life. Yeah? And always remember money will come. Yeah? You know, each of you are at different stages in your life cycles. Alright? Maybe I'm at a slightly different stage in my life cycle compared to most of you. But believe me, I have been where you are. Yeah? You're a bachelor? Are you
yes,
you're a bachelor?
bachelor.
I also was a bachelor. Yeah? Okay, I was a bachelor, right? And then I joined a company, and I was a bachelor getting a salary, yeah? And then I got married, and then I had one child, and then I had a second child, and I then educated my children. So I paid school fees, I paid university fees, yeah? I bought my first house, I bought my first car, I bought my first motorcycle, and I'm still buying my motorcycle. Because man, nothing like two wheels on a road, yeah? Especially if it's a Harley Davidson, right? Or a Norton Max 750, man, give it to me, all right? So, I already have one, yeah? So, you must have things, right, that you want, yeah? Money will come, don't worry, yeah? Be bold, right? Take calculated risks, right? And always take them. Believe in yourself is very important, part of being confident, yeah? And chase your dreams and goals, right? The most important thing you can do is to make your dreams and goals part of your business goals and dreams, yeah? So that you have your business goals and you have your personal goals. And the two should have a relationship.
Sure.
Yeah? Right? So that you say, okay, when I achieve my business goals, I can achieve certain personal goals. It's very simple. Today, in Binzaga company, the more successful you are, the more money you earn. Nobody can tell me that your salary is fixed, because it's not. The salary is a very small component, right, of your total package. If it isn't, then there's something wrong. Yeah? Salary is a small component. You have SFI, Unilever, Pico, right? If you are a sales manager, you should be earning at least 5,000, 4,500 only on incentive. 5,000 you can earn. 4, 5, only incentive. Then you have your Pico bonus. Yeah? If your salary is 100,000 a year, 100,000 a year, and if you are not getting at least 30,000 riyals in bonus every year, you should go and jump in the sea. Yeah? Because you are below company.
We have
You understand?
expectations. We have desert in
Then jump in the desert. Or drive to Dammam and jump in the sea. You are not doing yourself justice. See, potential is there, but you have to achieve. Yeah? Potential is there. You have to achieve. Yeah? So, what you should be saying is, can I get the maximum? Push yourself, right? On a personal level. If I don't believe that I'm getting the maximum, I will be disappointed in life, right? This weekend I played table tennis with one guy in the compound, and we had to go for 3 games. But I still want to beat him. You must have the challenge. You want to compete, yeah? Compete. So compete in everything you do, okay? Never have regrets. We have failures, things happen in the past, get on with life. Don't live in the past, okay? Right? Somebody did you wrong, something else happened. Forget it, life is too short, okay? Move on. There is more road in front of you than there is behind you, okay? An Italian race car driver in Milan. They get into a car in Milan. You know these Milan guys in Italy, they're crazy guys, they drive. You know what they do? They say, rear view mirror, they remove. Sir, what is behind me don't matter. What is in front is important. The lesson. Okay? But don't do this in Riyadh. Okay, be bold, keep your word. Keep your word is very, very important with customers. I'm coming tomorrow 5 o'clock. Bloody well make sure you come tomorrow 5 o'clock. Damages, if you promise to replace, make sure you bloody well replace it. Otherwise, don't make a promise. Right? Keep your word to your customer.
Trust.
Alright? Challenge yourself. This is what I'm telling you, right? You are your worst enemy. I told you this right at the beginning. Challenge yourself. Push yourself harder. Don't expect your boss to push you. Yes? Aim high. Aim as high as you can. You are living in Riyadh. Are there palm trees? Yes? You have palm trees? Well, you aim for the stars. Right? Because even if you miss the stars, at least you will hit the palm trees. Yes? Aim for the sky. Right? Aim high. That's the model. Yeah? Aim high. Okay, try new things, think out of the box. Yeah, I'll tell you a story. This is a true story. I learnt it from a channel manager. I don't want to tell you the branch. There's this guy, he's in charge of wholesale. Every day he was driving to this wholesale customer, the biggest guy. And every time he went to this customer will say, I can't buy from you, Sunsilk 400 ml, see, I'm getting at this price. Okay? Every day he's going to the customer, and every day the customer is scolding him. And he's saying, tell you Mr. Yasir Georgie that they are giving lower prices to Panda. Okay? And I don't want your product. So every day this guy is now, month is going to close. So he decided, he thought, no point in going to see this customer. So every day I go, he's telling me he cannot buy from me because there are lower prices in the market. So you know what he did? He used to drive past this customer every day and go to the next customer who was buying from him. This customer is the biggest guy on that street. He got very upset. He called this guy and said, hey, how come you are not coming to see me? He said, boss, this is working hours during Binzaga. I have to achieve my target. I cannot come to see you because you won't buy from me. So during working hours, I have to go to customers who I can sell to. But in the night after Zohar prayer, what is the prayer? Isha prayer. I am learning. Right? After that last prayer, I will come to see you on a private level. Personal level, I can come. But other, you know what happened the next day? Next day, the customer said, I want to buy from you. The customer is Bereki, one of the biggest wholesale customers in Daman, and the man who did this was Omar Hamid. He told me the story, and he actually sold to Bereki. So you see, he tried something new, and it worked. Yeah. So there is a moral to the story, right? That if something is not working, yes, try something new. It's not rational, but it worked. Correct? And he sold to Bereki. Okay, that's Omar Hamid. Right. So try new things. Always try and never ever give up. Yes, guys? We are in sales, we never give up. And challenge yourself every single day. Yeah? If you don't challenge yourself every day, you will never get to the top. Stand on your own feet. Don't be dependent on other people for other things. Be independent. Yes? Rely on yourself, work as a team, chase your dreams. Yes, dream that you want to buy this dream house with 5 bedrooms and have beautiful green grass, but live in the real world. Yeah? Understand that.
Reality.
The reality. Yeah? Work together as a team. Yes? Live the moment. Live the moment means enjoy successes in life. Love life and live it to the full. Yes? And enjoy every single moment. Reflect on your life but look to the future. Yes? You can think back, but it's more important to look forward and make every second count. Don't waste time. Don't have regrets. Think ahead to get ahead. Yes? Think ahead to get ahead. Value family and friends. This is also a very important part. You must have a personal life. Yeah? Put the family and the team first. Be loyal to the company that pays your salary on time. Today I learned from somebody who we interviewed. I said, why do you like working for Binzaga company? He said, on time salary. I said, okay, thank you. I learned something today. Okay? So today we work for an on-time salary company. This Saturday when I brief Sheikh Abdullah, I'm going to tell you that this is the perception some people have. We are called the on-time salary company.
Most of them, sir, not only the guy. Most of them.
It's an on-time salary.
Yes.
Yeah? So we have on-time salary. Face problems head on. Yes? Never walk away. Pick the right people. This is for me as well. Pick the right people. Yes? And reward talent. Yeah? Applies to me. Right? Hopefully we pick the right people. Yeah? And put them in the right places. And we will continue to reward talent. Yeah? In every possible way. We have to respect each other. Right? Be polite and respectful. Be humble in our dealings. Yeah? Do the right thing always. Keep our good name. Right? Always. And be humble and honest in all our dealings with people. Have faith in yourself. Always believe in yourself. Yes? Think yes and never no. Live life to the full. Right? I think it's very important to enjoy life and never ever give up. Yeah?